we're back at the boat again. Hey guys. So we're going to work on the teak a little bit. I'm going to put some caulk in between the teak planking and the cockpit. And I was working on the bilge just now. We have brand new batteries in this boat, but for whatever reason the new batteries are dead. So the bilge pump hasn't been kicking on. So on the way here, we stopped at the gas station so the kids can go potty. And I found this for $2 at a gas station, so I picked it up and just sucked out all the water from the bilge. And you can see the keel bolts are a little, no, I shouldn't say little, they are completely rusted. I've been researching with Beneteau about replacement options and done a lot of research. It's not too big of a deal as long as the water's not coming in around the keel bolts, which I'm going to check now once this dries out a little bit. If there's no water coming in, then the bolts can be replaced one by one while the boat is still in the water. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, I did a lot of cleaning in the bilge. I have a lot more to do, but right now this is good enough to where I can see most of the keel bolts and kind of see where I stand. Eventually it's going to be completely clean, probably replace the bilge pump, and eventually the keel bolts. But I think it'd be okay to move the boat right now, but this is what it looks like so far. And looking up at the mast here, you can see this mast is leaning to the right. I'm going to have to adjust the standing rigging. And there are the turnbuckles. Today was a good day. I was working on the bilge and did a little bit of caulking on the teak. The boys have a new friend. Concrete public flag. As I used to live in the Florida Keys and Marathon for quite a while. I miss it. Cockpit, did a little bit of caulking on the teak. I'm going to come back and sand it down. Now, I am going to have to replace the teak eventually because it has deteriorated over time. But right now it's just acting as a band-aid, and it will probably be a year before I get to replace the teak in the cockpit. Another thing I was going to look at here is the fixed windows on the hull. Those need to be replaced. Starboard side, and this one leads to the head. They went and got happy with putting screws in, thinking that's going to stop the leak. Well, guess what? It didn't. So I'm going to have new plexiglass cut for those. I'm going to take off all these decals, compound and wax the cabin top and the hull. And I think it's going to look really nice when it's done. I haven't decided the colors I want to go with yet. I'm thinking maybe dark blue and like a gray Dodger Bimini and sail stack, and also gray for the Genoa on the UV cover. But that's it for this time. I know it's going to be a short video, but didn't have a whole lot of time today to work on the boat. But as usual, we'll keep everybody posted what we're doing.